Hey guys, in this video I'm going to answer the question of can you send Audible credits to another account? And basically the quick answer is no. Unfortunately, you cannot send credits that you have built up on one account and transfer them to another account in 2025. However, what you can do is actually gift another account an audiobook. And we can do this by finding an audiobook that you want to transfer to someone else's account. For me, I'm going to do this one for the example of this video, and then go to more options, and then down at the bottom, press Give as a Gift. From there, what you need to do is type in the recipient's email, the name, your name, the delivery date, and you can actually write a note like happy birthday as well. And then from there, click continue. So after you've typed in all of the information and then you've clicked continue, Audible brings you to this page and it says finalize your gift for the recipient, John Smith, shows the audiobook that you've selected, the delivery method, email my gift to John Smith today, and then the regular price, $15.99, member price, $7.99 or 1 credit. And what you can do is press buy with 1 credit. That will purchase the audiobook, and then it will send an email to John Smith's inbox where he can actually click on the link and access this audiobook from within his Audible account.